Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2016 GL 450 4MATIC. This one is a steel gray metallic. Underneath the hood is a 3-liter V6 bi-turbo pushing out 362 horsepower and 369 pounds of torque. This one does come with the accessory chrome package with chrome door handle inserts, chrome fins on the hood. For wheels we've got 19-inch 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. Brushed aluminum running boards. Black MB-Tex interior with a anthracite poplar wood trim. Sunroof. GL 450 4MATIC badging. Trailer hitch. Power liftgate. Set all season floor mats. Fold down third row seats. Blind spot assist. Premium 1 package with Harman Kardon sound system, memory seats, power windows, illuminated door sills, heated steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, parking assistance package with a surround view backup camera with front and rear sensors, navigation, hard keys for a media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, heated and cooled cup holders. This GL has 70,553 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GL 450 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.